11. Oh, what do I say about this class? You know who you are. You've rendered me speechless a lot of times during the year. This would be my AP class that meets second block every single day. And in the beginning of the year, I'm sure there were days they're like, I have to go to that class again. And now it's like, what do you mean? I can't miss class. There's so much going on. I just can't miss class. We've had a lot of fun, I think, during the course of the year, and we've had some good times, we've had some bad times, we've laughed, we've cried, it became a part of us, that sort of thing. But, in what other class can you possibly have that you're running around the room to Rocky music, celebrating the fact that we've gone through all the convergence tests that we need to? And some of these girls, they take it so seriously. For example, one of the girls isn't here today because she just had to go to New York to see a show. She was devastated. She says to me on Monday or Tuesday, Mrs. Hamill, I'm just so sad. I'm like, well, why? She says, because I waited 4 years for the AP speech and I'm not going to be here. And she was devastated that she's going to miss the practice exam tomorrow. And she's like, I have to go to New York and see a show and I've already bought the tickets and I can't get out of this. And she was apparently explaining this to one of her friends. I can't remember who it was. And her friend said, but Christina, it's just math. She's like, no, you don't understand. No, this is AP. You don't understand. And from what I understand, also, these are the girls that have taken over a local Denny's from time to time to study for quarter exams and whatnot. So it's just been a blast. And as we head into the home stretch, which is what day, Amanda, the 2nd? May 6th, yeah, bigger fish to fry coming up. So, and to the class of 2010, I think we have some words of advice for you. They would be, get real, be rational. The limit does not exist. And get ready for the ride of your life. So, if my AP girls could please stand, that would be Amanda Camerano, Morgan Donovan, Meredith Graber, Melissa Graham, Amanda Kelly, Angela Kresick, Amanda Maroney, Molly Reedy, Lydia Rolla, Christina Stock, and Danielle Vaccaro. And I've got 2 minutes left, so I got one more thing I want to talk about. 7.